Okay, so I'm starting here. It's Lisa with Canadian Gardening, Zone 3 here. We're at towards the end of August, and we'll just pass the middle of August. And this canna is gonna bloom finally. Thank goodness. Um, these ones are not doing too bad, but they're not blooming, but that's okay. This dahlia. This is from the Ontario Lakes series. That's all the package said was Ontario Lakes. So there's a bunch of different ones in there. This is my double pink hibiscus, a lantana tree, a few years old, and we got, my hoses are out and stuff, but I always got to be watering. Although we've had a couple of storms, and we had a really bad storm a couple days ago that we had hail, so that was interesting. We actually didn't get the big golf ball sized hail, but we did get hail. They were more like the size of a pea, which show in my Brocmansias here. These are my cuttings this spring. These ones. This is my pink one in the middle of a full flush. I got a dead-headed. And there's a dahlia. Oh, I got a little bit of hail on this. Bees just love this one. Always a bee in those yellow, and there's these little tiny ones like that. So cute. This is my Hawaiian sunset hibiscus. It's pretty new. It's about, I got a cutting last fall. So it grew all winter in the sunroom, and then that's what it's doing now. This is the lemon lime coral sedum and sun impatiens leaf. I got some Lysianthus right here. Another dahlia over here. Needs to be dead-headed. Got a hibiscus. I think this is called peppermint Sunday. This one, it's got the braid on the stem. My elephant ears are doing pretty well. Got a little bit of shred, but not too bad. Some pots here, palm trees. This is a jasmine. I have it trained on this circle. I cut this all back when I bring it in the fall. And it is more like a circle in the house. I cut all this Transcanthia back too, along with my black-eyed Susan vine in this pot. Going crazy. I cut that back and bring it in. Sometimes I'm successful with that, sometimes I'm not. Then I just get a new one. This is the peach dwarf canna, along with the salvia. This is the Veronica blue, Victoria blue, Victoria blue. Over there I got some, that's a lotus vine. This has pretty pink flowers that the hummingbirds love. It's a tube. They come out of these casings, and don't have one out at the moment, but lots of buds, so that's nice. Over here I've got a window box. It just sits on my bench because I don't want anybody to sit on it because it'll probably fall apart. Some impatiens and some pink picotee, pink, solid pink, and red begonias. And then I got some, these are the Ticterian maple. I have a few in this bed. I kind of bonsai this a little bit. I like it to be just like a small umbrella right here. Got some hostas, late blooming hostas. This is a PG hydrangea. Didn't bloom this year. I think I might have to move that one into a little bit more sun. I'm not sure. This is the second year that it didn't bloom. I've got some columbine I got to plant. I grew from seed. I got a white bleeding heart and a pink bleeding heart in here. And then pretty much some ferns and hostas. Different kinds of hostas with some vinca vine growing in between. That's just the solid green. And then here's this side. Oh my gosh, the sun has come out again when I try to film this video. Oy, oy, oy. Did it the other day and I garbaged that video, and now here the sun came out again. Oh well, we'll see how it looks. These are doing really well. I'm gonna pause here and skip the front and go to the side yard. Just gonna do a short video in the back part here. There's a PG or Annabelle hydrangea. This is a paniculata hydrangea called Moon Rock. And we got my dry creek bed full of canna and Supertunia Vista bubblegum. Then we got my butterfly that I made out of outdoor table. That's the legs put together, and then bags hanging through the center of impatiens. And the antenna are two hanging metal hanging wax. We got my impatient patience and the apple blossom begonia. And then I'm going to quickly go over here. This is my raised bed that my husband built me with the cannas. They love it here. Some couple of geraniums that I winter over. This one here, this one there. Aww. It's me, Lisa, from Canadian Gardening with Lisa. I was looking at my pond this morning, and
Look at how cute.
That is fake.
That is real. Cute.
Like you saw one?